Yan, aking assistant.
Okay, hi, I'm gonna
Yan, napanghuli. Napakaming
Actually,
huli.
yes.
Ito yung aming ano, hindi gumagalaw. Yan ang aming fishing reel at rod. Yun. Napakaming huli. Nasang alon. Windy. Kaya assistant. Ewan ko anong ginagawa ng assistant ko yun. Seaweed. Busy sa kanyang seaweed. Puro seaweed ang nahuhuli namin. Busy sa kanyang seaweed. Yun ang nahuli namin seaweeds. Ito ang seaweed. So, yan, seaweeds.